Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Victus 16. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your HP Victus 16 gets so hot it burns to touch, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise due to dust accumulation or a failing cooling system. If left unaddressed, it can lead to serious damage to your components, potentially resulting in costly repairs. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the bottom cover of your HP Victus 16. This typically involves unscrewing several screws on the back. Make sure to keep track of these screws as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the bottom cover using a flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage any clips in the process. With the cover off, you should be able to see the cooling fan and heat sink. The overheating issue often stems from dust buildup within these components. Locate the cooling fan; it's usually situated near the heat sink. Using a can of compressed air, blow out any dust from the fan and heat sink area. Ensure you're holding the fan in place while doing this to avoid damaging it. If you notice that the thermal paste on the CPU appears dry or cracked, it's time to replace it. Carefully detach the heat sink from the CPU by unscrewing it. Once removed, clean off the old thermal paste using a lint-free cloth or isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU, spreading it evenly. Reattach the heat sink, ensuring it's secured tightly. When you're putting everything back together, make sure to reconnect any cables you may have inadvertently disconnected. As you close the device, double-check that there are no stray screws or parts left inside that could cause issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, reattach the bottom cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. To prevent this overheating issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean your device and check for dust buildup. Keeping your laptop in a well-ventilated area can also help. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.